What's up everyone, I'm Jackie YBT, tech away, tech everything. Today, yet another tech unboxing video. I should have done this earlier because I got this as a birthday present from my friend last year. And I didn't unbox it, I didn't use it until now. It's about time, man. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi wireless charger quick charge 3.0 10-watt wireless charging pad. Without further ado, let's get started. And where's my cutter? Okay, found my cutter. Here you go. Let's do this. Same thing. Be careful when you use a cutter, and I don't want to damage the box. Easy peasy. Just do this. Swap. Done. There's few features that printed behind the box. These three things show in a really nice icon and simple description. The first thing will be the smart compatibility, which means this wireless charging support most of the smartphone. You know, if your smartphone support the Qi wireless charging standard, then you can use this wireless charging pad. The secondly will be the full body metallic finish. This wireless charging pad, the body itself is made out of aluminium, very premium finish. Okay, and thirdly, wireless fast charging. Very simple, straightforward description. What's the feature that you get out of box? The bags, there's some information like basic spec information. Oh, interesting, you can see there's a Russian words there. Yeah, using a USB Type-C output, 5 watt, max 10 watt. Max, you see, distance 4 mm, temperature, and in Mandarin, yeah, this is black. Yeah, reminds me of Apple packaging. The packaging is very clean and straightforward, minimalist design. Photo of their product. Just get it out right now. Okay, another white box inside. Manual guide. So you got some good quality printing manual. Yeah, if you want to read it, you can pause it. There's different languages: Mandarin, English of course, Korean, Russian, yeah, Spanish, and etc. Yeah, very basic stuff. Then what is this? Warranty notice. Yeah, it's quite important. Just look at it. Yeah, I'm going to put it aside. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So you open like this. Looks like the, you know, the DVD player when you press a button, like PS1. Open it. Interesting. Okay. And what else? Oh, there's cable inside, hiding in this small pocket. Not bad. I like it when the cable is black. You know, I don't like white cable. I like the Apple lightning cable, default one. This black one, nice. Okay, it's using the USB-C like I mentioned earlier. Good. All USB-C, please. Okay, so you don't need to like tear it in a brutally force. You just tear it gently, because there's a way for you to tear it gently. Okay, so take it out. It feels like rubbery of texture. It's not the greatest texture ever. Okay, how to get this out? Oh, okay. So it's made out of aluminium, which is a premium material, better than plastic. Okay, there's some FCC things, and yeah, Qi. This support Qi wireless standard, and for Android, it can support up to 10 watt maximum, and for iPhone, it only support to up to 7.5 watt. That's the iPhone standard, the max that they can support. And one thing I need to say it out is when you get this Mi wireless charging pad, quick charge 3.0, you don't get the charger. You have to buy it separately. So you only get the wireless charging pad and the USB-C cable. Too bad. but you can get it for cheap. Or you can even use your phone charger to use it, especially like your Apple iPad charger or even your Android 18-watt charger, those kind of charger. So don't use the original iPhone charger, 5 watts, it's too slow. So that's the unboxing part, and I'm gonna use it just to show you guys the hands-on experience with this. So for the USB-C cable itself is about 1 meter long. Yeah, it's not too long and not too short. So for you to plug it the back of the wireless charging pad, so just plug inside. It's reversible, so you don't need to worry where to plug it in like the normal USB type A. There's one way in, there's 2 ways in. Okay, there's one LED light over here. You can see it, there's one LED light. I'm gonna bring my phone.
2,000 years later.
So I'm using an iPhone 10 in the leather cover. In case you don't know, this is iPhone 10. Yeah, I'll show you. So I'm just gonna test it out whether my phone can receive charging from this wireless charging pad, even though it's in the leather cover. So let's try it. Oh! Whoa! It's charging right now. So even you are using a quite thick case, the thickness around this size, okay, I would say is a bit thick, but you still can receive charging. Nice. Okay, not bad, not bad. But it might affect the charging speed wearing a case while charging it. So just nice. Nice. Just put it, charge straight away. You can charge in this way, vertical and horizontally. Wait. Horizontally. So you have to move right in the middle. Because for my phone, the receiver is here in the middle, around this area. So you put it like this. Immediately, just put straight and it will charge by itself. Pretty good, awesome. So that's about it, guys. This is just my unboxing and hands-on video. So for further in-depth review, we're coming soon. I'm not sure when, but we will soon. Stay tuned for that, and remember to subscribe, comment, like, share it to your friends and family, donate to my PayPal account to support this channel. And recently we just passed the 4,000 hours of watch time. Yeah, that's one of a big achievement. Road to 1,000 subscribers. So please help the channel, help me to achieve this dream. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.